Irene and welcome back to Yooeating. Today we are making Spam Chan Musubi. Whenever I would come home from school, my mom would always make me an after-school snack, and my favorite thing that she would make was Spam Chan, which is simply egg-battered Spam. And I would eat it with rice and a little bit of furikake. Spam is a really big part of Korean culture. It was introduced by Americans during the Korean War and has since become a common ingredient in dishes like budae-jjigae. It's popular in other places where American GIs were stationed after World War II, like the Philippines and Hawaii. Hawaiians have their own classic Spam dish, which is the Spam Musubi. So in our Spam Chan Musubi, we have rice, a layer of furikake, a little bit of butter grilled kimchi, a layer of American cheese, and our egg battered Spam. This is a super simple dish to make, and it is really portable. It's a really good after school snack, and it's super delicious. is our spam chon musubi. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. This one's for Nick.